Hi everyone, I'm Major. In this video, let's take a look at ArchiWood to generate reports. The model we create will eventually be presented in the form of a report. All our data will be based on the current report. The report can generate a lot of data, such as quotations, such as hardware, and so on. Generating the report is also the last step of front-end modeling. After this step is completed, it means our entire design modeling is over. The method of generating the report is also very simple. After we complete the model creation, and after intelligent detection, we can see the Generate Report button in the lower right corner. We can see the button to generate the report. Click this icon. A prompt will pop up. Automatically create a number. We click OK. OK, let's wait for a few seconds. We can see a new prompt popping up, which means the report has been created. Do we view the report online? We click OK. At this time, it will automatically open the current report. We can see below the name of the corresponding report. The first one is the quotation form. After we set the parameters of the quotation, then here, the final price will be displayed. And we can also see here, we can see some detailed lists. Hardware form, the cabinet form, electronic material list, and so on. Of course, we can also download this form and view it on our computer. OK, we click to select the folder. In this way, it will be downloaded to our computer. We can go back to the desktop of our computer and see the current downloaded report. Double-click to open the report. Well, the report we just saw online. It is exactly the same. Of course, on the report, we can also see a QR code. The QR code is for the installation drawing. We can upload the created model. Upload it to the installation diagram, which is this model. Then open the ArchiWood client-side panel. Then open the cabinet module. In the drawing tool section, you can see the upload installation diagram. Click this icon. And then the upload installation diagram panel will pop up. We can click the upload button. After clicking, it will be uploading. We wait for a few seconds. It will pop up a prompt that the upload is complete. For beginners, you must pay attention. We must wait until it pops up, the prompt that the upload is complete, to indicate that the upload is successful. OK, let's click OK. In this way, we have uploaded the model to the cloud. You can view it by scanning the QR code. Of course, we can also click View here. Then, to see the cabinet we just drew. Then we can send the QR code. Send this QR code to the customer, or send it to the workers in the production workshop, or the installer. In this way, they can easily see the corresponding cabinet through mobile phones and other online devices to view it. Of course, after we upload the installation diagram, we need to regenerate the report. So we need to click on the report again and let the report be updated. This also shows that when we have made some operations or modified, we must regenerate the report. OK, at this time, we can use our mobile phones or tablet and other mobile devices to scan this QR code to check the cabinet we just mentioned. OK, this is what we talked about in this video. Generating the report. After generating the report, we can also see that it automatically generates a cabinet number. We can ignore this number. This is a normal generation. That's all for this video. Thank you, all.